Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create a payment link in Stripe step by step. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Over here, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. After that, enter your email and password, then click sign in to access your dashboard. Then, once you're signed in, go to the payments section. Over here, click on payment links. After that, click on create payment link. Over here, add a product with details like name, price, and quantity. Then review your product options and adjust if needed. After that, click on advanced options if you want to set discounts or add extra fields. Then click on pay to preview the customer experience. After that, click on create link to generate your payment link. Then copy or share the link through email, social media, or your website. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.